Hi, Kyle here, dryer vent guys. So what happens if you don't clean your dryer vent? It's a fair question. You want to understand what's the worst case scenario or what's the negative before you do a service, potentially make a decision on something. You want to evaluate the pros and cons and whatnot. So what could happen if you don't do a dryer vent cleaning? What can happen is the lint builds up within the dryer vent. It collects, restricts airflow, creates blockages, and number one thing, it creates a fire hazard, right? So laundry fires are real, house fires are real from dryer fires. Last data I've seen is the National Fire Protection Agency estimates about 16,000 laundry room fires a year. So definitely don't want to risk your family, risk your home. But what else? That's more commonly known, but what else is there? So also, it takes longer to dry your clothes. It can take 3+ cycles to dry your clothes sometimes if you let your dryer vent get too built up and just don't clean it. Also, it'll cause more energy consumption, not just take longer, but it also uses more energy because it uses energy when it does the cycles. So also it can cause water damage. So the moisture in your dryer is trying to exhaust out. It's not able to get out. All that moisture collects in your dryer vent and doesn't have anywhere to go. And so it just collects in there, starts rusting your ductwork, can escape through the ductwork and start having drywall damage. So not a good idea there. Also, it can cause, and this is what we see a lot, is it causes premature dryer repair or replacement. Sometimes we have people who have had their dryer replaced 3 times before they realize it's their dryer vent. It's been a dryer vent issue all along. Those failures in their appliance were symptomatic of the need for vent cleaning. I might be forgetting some, so read the article if I missed any others. But what we recommend is staying on a cleaning plan in order to preventatively stay ahead of this and make sure it doesn't get to the fire hazard aspect. It's not affecting performance. Make sure it's not getting blockages that are going to restrict airflow. So and create water damage and cause dryer failure from the vent. So highly recommend staying on a cleaning plan in order to just stay ahead of it and get it done. But those are aspects that can happen and happen a lot from failing to clean the dryer vent. And usually a lot of our customers don't realize that dryer vent cleaning is a thing or that they need to be doing that as a key element of home maintenance. They don't realize it until one of those things happens, and then we have a customer for life because they're like, oh gosh, I didn't realize that this was causing the dryer failure or causing dry times or putting my family at risk. And so then they start having it done annually or every 6 months or 9 months or whatever they decide. So any questions, let us know, but hope this was informative.